Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add all time frames to your toolbar in Metatrader 5. This is a really useful customization that gives you quick access to every time frame without having to navigate through menus each time you want to switch your chart view. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your main trading interface, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the toolbar area. This is where all your quick access tools and buttons are located, including your current time frame options. Now look at the time frame section in your toolbar at the top. You'll notice that by default, Metatrader 5 only displays a limited selection of time frames. To customize this and add more options, right-click directly on the time frame area. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Customize. This action opens the toolbar customization window, which is where you'll be able to add all the time frames you want. Once the customization window appears, you'll see two distinct sections. On the left side, you have available buttons, which shows all the time frame options that aren't currently displayed in your toolbar. On the right side, you'll see selected buttons, which represents the time frames that are already visible in your toolbar. This setup makes it easy to manage exactly which time frames you want quick access to. To start adding time frames, look at the available buttons section on the left. Click on any time frame that you want to add to your toolbar, then click the Insert button located between the two sections. This will move that time frame from the available list over to the selected list, making it visible in your toolbar. The Insert button acts as a bridge, transferring your chosen time frames to the active toolbar area. Now here's where you'll need to be a bit patient. Repeat this process for each additional time frame you want to add. Click on another time frame from the available buttons, then click Insert again. Continue doing this until you've added all the time frames you need. Whether you want just a few more options or every single time frame available, keep inserting them one by one until your selected buttons section includes everything you want. Once you've finished adding all your desired time frames and you're satisfied with your selection, click the Close button at the bottom of the customization window. This will save your changes and apply them to your toolbar immediately. You don't need to restart the application or confirm anything else. And that's it. Your Metatrader 5 toolbar now displays all the time frames you've added, giving you instant access to switch between different chart views whenever you need. This customization streamlines your trading workflow and saves you valuable time when analyzing different time frames. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.